Let's talk about something incredibly relevant in today's digital world, identity management. Every time you create an online account, log into a website, or verify your identity, you're handing over personal data to a centralized server. But what happens if those servers get hacked? Your data is out there, vulnerable, and potentially being misused. This is where decentralized identity powered by blockchain databases comes in. It's a game-changing concept that puts you in control of your digital identity. What is decentralized identity? Decentralized identity, or DID, is about creating self-sovereign identity. It means you own and control your identity without relying on third parties like social media platforms or banks. Here's how it works. Your identity is stored on a blockchain database where it's cryptographically secure and verifiable. Instead of sharing your entire personal information for verification, you share only the necessary proof, like proving you're 18 without showing your full ID. Think of it like this. Instead of handing someone your entire passport to prove your name and age, you hand them a sealed envelope with just the confirmation they need. No extra details are exposed. How blockchain enables decentralized identity. So how does blockchain make this possible? Let me break it down. Immutable records for number one. Your identity information is stored securely and cannot be tampered with. Number two, decentralization. No center authority controls your identity. It's distributed across the blockchain network. Number three, selective disclosure. You can choose which parts of your identity to share and with whom. For example, if you need to verify your age for an online service, blockchain allows you to cryptographically prove your age without sharing your date of birth or address. This level of privacy and control is unmatched in traditional identity management systems. Real-world use cases of decentralized identity. Digital passports, for example. Governments are experimenting with blockchain-based digital passports for faster, more secure border control. Banking and financial services. They verify your identity without repeatedly uploading documents for every bank account or financial app. Online voting. Secure and verifiable online voting systems can ensure election integrity. And healthcare records. Patients can control and securely share their health data with doctors or insurance providers. One example is Microsoft's ION, a decentralized identity network built on the Bitcoin blockchain. It allows users to have full control over the digital IDs without relying on third parties. This isn't the future, it's happening right now. The advantages and challenges of decentralized identity. Advantages, there's enhanced privacy. You only share the necessary information. Reduced fraud, it's difficult to fake or manipulate identities, and user control, no reliance on third-party platforms. However, the challenges, there are adoption hurdles. Many systems still rely on centralized identity providers. Technical barriers. Implementing blockchain-based identity requires infrastructure changes and other things. Regularity concerns. Legal framework needs to catch up with this technology. Despite these challenges, decentralized identity is gaining traction and could redefine how we interact online. Decentralized identity powered by blockchain databases is not just a cool concept. It's a necessary evolution for privacy, security, and user empowerment in the digital age. If this topic sparked your interest, I'd encourage you to explore it further. It's one of the most exciting fronts in blockchain technology today. Thank you for watching.